some few minutes to 8 p.m. and let me quickly finish the part of this training for tonight while I join you guys in the class. Um, it's time for us to upload our team so that we can change the appearance of our website. First thing you are going to do is now this is a interface. This is what your end user will see. Navigate to appearance from your dashboard, then you go to where we have the team. Now go to appearance. Yes, this is where we have the team. Then you click on add new. Now, like I'll show you in the first video, several ways by which you can get your team. Uh, so just you can use any of the method over there to get your Divi team. If you are not using Divi team, you can use any other team as well. But for the purpose of this class, I will be using Divi team like I've explained. So install your team. You are going to wait for it for a while before the installation is done. So if you are joining this video for the first time, you have to watch yesterday class, and yesterday class is what you need to have, how you can buy your domain name and web hosting. And today's class is installing your first WordPress website, installing your team, and installing other plugin. So you have to install the team. Please kindly share this video with your friends. You can download it, share it on your WhatsApp platform, share it with anybody, share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the notification icon for you to be notified whenever there's any new tutorial, new video pertaining to internet, pertaining to being a programmer, pertaining to web design, graphic design. Just subscribe to our video because uh, as this training is concerned, we're sharing a lot of video with you how you can how to do a lot of things, how to make money online, how to build a website, how to market your business online, how to use Facebook, how to use any channel you want to use. So just share this video with your friends. Let them know what you are enjoying this your quarantine mode, this stay at home period. Let others enjoy what you are enjoying as well. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Okay, you have to wait for you for a while. Okay, the installation is done now and activate the team. So when we activate the team, the first thing that happens is that the interface we have here, we have a different interface. Yes, we have a different interface. So I'm going to tell you more about team, about plugin, about some other thing. Good. Now, this is what we have now. There's one other thing that I want us to do again before we go tonight. I want us to install another plugin. Go to appearance, go down to plugin, install plugin, then add new. There's another plugin that I'm gonna show you. It works similar to Elementor, but I prefer this than Elementor. It's a pro version. We call it Beaver Builder. You can get it online. You can search for it, but this is a pro version, premium version. You can search online Beaver Builder. Yes, it's one of those plugins that you can use to turn the hand of yes, we have Beaver Builder. You have Beaver Builder Pro. Yes, you can check the price um of Beaver Builder as well. I'm not sure this is the correct link. Anyway, Beaver Builder is installing. You have to wait for it for a while as well and activate it as well. So in tomorrow's class we'll be talking more about, yes, the Beaver Builder is one of the professional plugin that I love using. You can use it to build any type of website. We call it page builder. Now let me check the pricing. You can see the price from Beaver Builder. We have as an agency we have something of $399. That's for agency. That's, you can use it for unlimited site. sites. Yes, we have pro, we have work class, we have standard, we have irrespective. Yes, you can pick any, like I just explained to you on how you can get in. You can you have some templates sample of what Beaver Builder can build for you. Yeah, we have editorial, we have fashions, we have depending on. So I'm gonna okay, you can see some more landing page. Yes, if you have Elementor too, it's also a similar plugin you can use. It's also a similar plugin you can use. But this is just Beaver Builder. Here I've installed it, and I'm going to activate it to as well. So in tomorrow's class, we'll be talking about pages. We'll be talking about creating pages related to our website. Like I can see, these are not the things we want. How we can modify our logos and work more with that. So thank you for joining tonight's class. Thank you very much. Please share this video with your friends. With your, you can go to down to plugin as well. Share with your friends, your group. You can see Beaver Builder Pro Fashion. You could share with your friend, with your loved ones, anyone you want. Just make sure this you